In today's video, we will compare the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE with the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy S24 Plus to see which one is the best option. If you enjoy our content, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, we've included purchase links in the description below with the best prices available, so check them out if you're interested. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the comparison. Design. Body material. Weight. Dust and water resistance. Loudspeaker. Thickness. Display. Size. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Colors and brightness. Protection. Rear camera. Video recording. Zoom. Selfie camera. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Antutu benchmark. Storage. RAM. Internal memory. Universal flash storage. Card slot. Battery. Capacity. Charging input. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connectivity. SIM card. Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. .3.5mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprint.
Face ID.
Result. Price. Did you find the comparison insightful? Which one is the best for you? Leave your opinion in the comments section below. We'd love to know. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all our comparisons. And since you're here, check out this other comparison currently playing on your screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.